Immediate intensity!
Whoa. No, you are recording. Hey. No, but seriously, we're getting new doors today!
Door day, everybody!
Door day! Goodbye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, but no thank you, no thank you. Okay, thank you, okay, okay. We're waiting on the people. I bought these things on the 3rd. It's now the 31st, so I've been patient, but it's the last thing to make this place super cool all the time.
Literally super cool.
So in addition to the insulation, this should get it to where, you know, we don't have a giant heater made of metal. Just, what are these people doing with their towels? Anyway, so yeah, I don't know if we're gonna, maybe I'll record some of it, but you know, I just really want to get what this looks like, because hopefully we'll never see it again.
The outside of the doors. Look, I don't know if you've ever seen the doors closed in this place, because, you know, off camera we never close ever. It just doesn't happen. So this is what the doors look like when they're closed. As you can see, it's pretty terrible. They look old, and I mean, it does give us a kind of incognito feel, but at the same time, it's a change that definitely needs to happen.
Sparkly.
Ian did a little polishing to the old girl, or the new girl, depending on your definition of new.
I hate that though. All the rust comes off from the carbon.
Oh yeah. At some point you'll see us make them all real nice and pretty. Just gotta get this last thing off the list, and then we can focus once again on the beautiful beasts. We hooked this up with a really good opener, I should say, because the original opener was a little bit too powerful for this one that we ordered for the doors here. So it was gonna be not as smooth. And he's already showed us it's really smooth. They're already Wi-Fi equipped, everything. You can open them from literally anywhere in the country, as he told us. So these doors are already pretty serious. But we will let these guys finish up here.
Pops off the 2 wires in there, pretty plug and play. You need a manual operation if you lose power of some sort. Otherwise, you just get it. Pull it again. Automatically engage. Once I put the insulation, because you can change the temperature of the but insulation kit. What it does is it eliminates heat from radiating inside the garage. It won't eliminate air from going out, but that's what talking about a raw steel flat door. You need that short metal tape goes across here, and on the seams goes over the seam. So it kind of, you get a little H box kind of setup, but it looks good. I mean, and then it rolls up, and as it rolls up inside when you open the door, press it.
That'll be okay. So the reason why I wanted these, I thought they were insulated. I mean, this once this heats up, it's literally a heater.
Radiating.
Yeah. So that's what's
It'll eliminate that. All right. White's gonna do it in general because the door is white, clearly, like white sun's absorbing it.
Yeah.
But on top of that, it'll eliminate radiating. Oh shit! Looks like an exit tonight.
He's only 4 years old.
So, long day, doors are up, like, comment, subscribe. I'm tired.
I'm black.
See you on the next video.
And as always, I don't know what to say.
Peace.